Now, a section of elected officials of the Maendeleo Wanawake Organization has sued their National Chairperson and Secretary over misappropriation and embezzlement of over 50 million shillings worth of women's funds. However, the National Chair Rahab Mwikali told Judge Stella Mutuku that the displeased officials intend to destabilize the organization and cause anarchy and strife to the members by filing the case. Details in the Scales of Justice segment.
Appearing before Civil Division Judge Stella Mutuku, Maendeleo Wanawake Organization Chair Rahab Mwikali faced several accusations, including abuse of office in the alleged sacking of the 5 elected officials.
We were given 20 million. It was paid through the Ministry of Gender. I was the chair of that. It was paid by government, but through the ministry. So this was not the first time. What may have been paid to Rahab is maybe an allowance like everybody else.
Mwikali was also accused of lacking transparency and accountability and flouting the Maendeleo Wanawake Constitution. However, in her defense, Mwikali disputed the claims, stating that the 5 officials had abdicated their mandate.
At times, as the leader, you have to forge ahead. Listen, yes. Call board meeting, yes. And when the decision is passed, my work is to be implemented for the benefit of the institution and the women who elected me.
Elsewhere, former Minister Raphael Tuju has urged the High Court to set aside orders of contempt of court issued against him. Through Senior Counsel Paul Nyamodi, Tuju told Judge Wayua Mongare that the orders arose from a case in 2020 when he was hospitalized after having an accident.
This morning's proceedings, the business that the court had reserved for this morning, await the outcome of the notice of motion dated the 10th of March.
The judge directed the submissions to be heard on 30th April.
It is public knowledge that I had an accident. I was in ICU and I was actually in coma. So it's kind of preposterous for somebody to say that I did not obey court orders when I was not in a position to obey any court orders.
Meanwhile, the burial dispute of the late James Mburu, father to Kiambu County Deputy Governor Rosemary Njeri Kirika, will take a little longer after key witness Kang'ethe Mburu brought out new issues during the hearing.
Mzee hakukuwa anakaa hiyo nyumba. Alikuwa anakaa. Swali na kuuliza, aliwekewa sumu nyumba gani? Koti nasema inaondoka. Nyumba gani? Mahali uji ulipikiwa. Alafu akaletewa koti ya juu. Nyumba gani?
Principal Magistrate James Gitonga was informed that the deceased had an initial home and a family in Gatanga, Murang'a County, before relocating to Gilgil, Nakuru County, where he married another wife.
Beginning with, I confirm that we shall have a further hearing on the 18th of March, which will be next week on Tuesday. And we shall also, I'm also actually marking it for further hearing on the 25th of March, so that in between those 2 days, we should be able to conclude.
Both families have disagreed on the burial place. The hearing continues on 18th March 2025. And at Madaraka Law Court, Mohammed Osman Abdili was charged with conspiracy to defraud over 200,000 shillings from his employer, Abdi Mohammed Ali. Appearing before Principal Magistrate Joseph Karanjahe, Osman pleaded not guilty to the offence and was released on a cash bail of 2 million.
A bond of Kenya shillings 5 million with one surety in the same amount, for a cash bail of Kenya shillings 2 million with 2 contact persons. Number 3, in addition, the accused is to deposit his travel documents, that is passport,